How are you? Austin Hilton here. If you don't know me, I create content here on YouTube. I have my own channel as well. It's actually under my name, Austin Hilton. But I also create content for the ClearCryptos channel, which you are, of course, on right here, right now. And so this channel, the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, is set up to empower you and help you to understand crypto and multifaceted and how you can be more successful in crypto from an educational standpoint. And that's what this video is about. This video is going to be about how to take profits in crypto, how to have a couple of very simple ways to look at it and how you can set yourself up for success in crypto from a profit-taking standpoint. Okay, so that's what this video is about. Please hit the subscribe button below and hit that like button, and here we go. As always, by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so in crypto, there can be this scenario where I think a lot of people have this kind of buy and hold for a million years mentality. Or said a different way, maybe there's some times where people don't really know or how they should go about taking profits, okay? And I've been investing for 30 plus years. I've been investing in crypto for a long time. And so I wanted to make this video just to help give you some guidance so that you understand maybe a couple of really simple ways to set yourself up to take profits and to be profitable in crypto. Okay, so the easiest way is that the day you buy a crypto, and insert any crypto name here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any altcoin you're looking at buying, any token, Solana, XRP, or a community token, whatever, it doesn't really matter. The day you buy it, irrelevant of how much money you're putting into it, $100, $1,000, $10,000, doesn't matter, okay? Decide for yourself how much profit you want to make on that coin or token you're about to buy. And let's just say, for discussion's sake, you're going to buy some Solana. I'm using that as an example. And you're going to put $1,000 into it, okay? So the easiest way to have a profit plan in place is that the day you buy it, you're like, okay, I'm going to buy Solana today. I'm going to put $1,000 into it. And let's say you want to make a 30% profit on it. Okay, so in that scenario, you of course want to get your $1,000 back, right? And you want to make a 30% profit on it. So effectively, you want to walk away from that deal with $1,300. That's a 30% profit. All right, that's number one. That's a simple way to do it. Okay, and I think that's where it starts for everybody. You need to have a plan when you buy a token or a coin. Just go, I want to make 30% on this. I want to make 50%. Whatever that number is, that's part of your plan. That actually takes away a lot of the stress, a lot of the anxiety, because in good days and bad days, that's your plan. Hey, I want to make 30% on it. So you knew I put $1,000 into it. I want to get my 1,000 back, okay? And I want to make 300. So with that set as a baseline plan, here's what you can do. Now, how actually taking profits, here's a couple of different ways you can go about that. So number one, remember in this scenario, we were trying to make $300 profit, okay? So in this scenario, as you roll along and as you own that Solana, you have a number. Okay, I've got to pull off $300 of this $1,000 investment. So you sell a little bit along the way, ultimately to equal getting you to you're completely out of Solana and you have sitting in your account $1,300. So that's option one. From a profit-taking standpoint, you're taking profits kind of slowly along the way. Okay, in good days, and usually you're doing that on up days when it's running really nicely. So let's say you bought Solana at, and I'm just making up a number, you bought it at $10. That's not what Solana is trading for, but I'm just doing easy math, right? You bought $1,000 worth and you bought it at $10. So as Solana moves up over time, and by the way, know that it's going to go up and going to go down a little bit and going to go up, but hey, I bought Solana at 10. So as it's continuing to roll up, let's say it has a day where it goes up 10%. Okay, maybe you sell just a little bit to bleed off profits. That's option one. Option two in how to take profits is that you can just do the buy and hold scenario. You bought $1,000 worth of Solana at $10 per token, per coin, excuse me. And when it reaches $13, right, you have achieved your 30%. So you're just like, I'm not going to sell any until it gets to $13. That's it, guys. This is a very simple way, a plan that you can put into place and how you take profits responsibly. You start with a plan, you start with a number in mind. I want to make 30%, 40%, or whatever that number is off of this investment when I buy this coin, this token. And then you have two options: either take profits along the way, or you buy and you hold and you're hitting and because you know what that number out there is. You bought $1,000 at $10, so you know when it hits $13 in this example that's where the number you're going to shoot at, and you're going to sell all of it when you hit that $13 to give yourself a 30% return of profit. Hope you got some value out of this. Thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. Thank you for supporting the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. A lot more great educational content coming from me and from other creators as well here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. See ya. Bye.